Lagi ka bang nabubuli or lagi na lang bang pinagkakaisahan, inaasar? Change your environment, the better. Kasi lagi naman nating sinasabi kahit anong pag-discipline natin sa ating mindset or pag-discipline natin in terms of meditation, pero kapag you belong in an environment na kung saan it's detrimental to your mental and emotional health, talagang mahihirapan ka dyan. Kaya, suggestion ko sa'yo, no, if you can change environment, faster, the better. Pero kung hindi naman ito posible sa'yo, then I need you to stand your ground. Hindi naman kailangan na magwala ka, mag-rage ka, pero you gotta be firm to protect and guard yourself. You cannot just tolerate or allow them, and you cannot just, hindi kasi kailangan kong magiging mabait. Hindi pagiging mabait yung tatahimik ka lang and you will allow people to bully you. Dapat talaga ang suggestion ko sa'yo, you gotta protect and guard yourself.